Hello everyone. So, if you want to type faster on any Android device, here are some cool keyboard hacks which are both working on the Gboard and on a Samsung keyboard. I'm gonna start with gliding. Let's summon our keyboard. Instead of tapping each letter, you can simply swipe your finger across the letters to form words. For example, let's type hello. Easy and convenient. The second one is a one-handed mode. So if you're gonna hold up your finger on a comma sign, you can choose a one-handed mode option, which makes your keyboard smaller and more convenient to type with one hand. And you can move it from a left side to the right side if you're right-handed. I'm left-handed, so I'm gonna keep it on the left side. You can also resize it up for your needs. So simply tap on this resize icon and you can make it smaller or bigger. You can once again move it in the air. Press down when you are satisfied with the size, and to bring it back, simply tap on this expansion icon. Now it's back to normal. The next one is emoji search shortcut. Simply tap on emoji icon. Now press search and you can type, for example, happy. And it's gonna search for all the happy emotions available. Let's type sad. Here are all the sad ones. Let's use this cute cat. I like this emoji a lot. Let's follow up to the next fact. Next one is voice typing. So simply tap on the microphone icon. Now, give a permission to use an audio. And now we can speak and everything what we talk is going to be transcribed into a written form. Easy as that. To me, this is one of the great things which humanity ever invented. It makes everything so much easier and faster. The next one is a quick punctuation. If you're gonna long press a period key, you would be able to choose any punctuation mark right here, from your simple @ to use any email to question mark and so on and so forth. And the last one, that you can move up your cursor without actually tapping on the desired spot on the screen. However, you can simply hold up a space bar. Let me choose a sentence. So hold up your space bar. And as you see, we can move it with the use of space bar. It's really fast and convenient. Simply get used to it and you will understand it. So basically, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.